Fatigue and low energy are common experiences, often caused by a mix of lifestyle factors, mental strain, and physical health conditions. Fatigue differs from ordinary tiredness in that it is a persistent state of weariness, where the body and mind feel unable to recover fully, even with rest. Low energy, similarly, describes a lack of physical and mental drive that can make even simple tasks feel like major efforts. People dealing with fatigue may experience mental fog, difficulty concentrating, and reduced productivity, which can lead to frustration and, in some cases, emotional distress. It's often a cycle. Exhaustion can lead to stress, which in turn worsens the fatigue. Several factors can contribute to fatigue and low energy levels. Poor sleep quality or inconsistent sleep patterns are often at the root of the problem, disrupting the body's natural rhythms and diminishing its ability to rejuvenate. Dietary habits also play a significant role. Too much sugar, caffeine, or processed food can lead to energy crashes, while deficiencies in essential nutrients like iron or vitamin D can drain physical strength. Additionally, mental health conditions like depression and anxiety often manifest as fatigue, making it harder for people to feel motivated or active. Chronic illnesses or underlying conditions such as hypothyroidism, diabetes, or heart disease may also lead to ongoing low energy levels. Managing fatigue and restoring energy requires a multifaceted approach, often involving changes in sleep, diet, exercise, and stress management. Getting adequate, restful sleep on a regular schedule can provide a strong foundation, as can prioritizing nutrient-dense foods over processed options. Gentle physical activity, even a short daily walk, can also help, as movement promotes endorphin release and helps combat physical sluggishness. Mental wellness practices like mindfulness, therapy, or relaxation exercises can alleviate stress, reducing one of the underlying causes of fatigue. When these adjustments don't improve energy levels, consulting a healthcare provider to check for potential health issues may be beneficial. Understanding and addressing fatigue holistically can greatly improve one's overall sense of well-being and vitality.